Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful granny style floral earrings. It's perfect for spring outfits and I've made them in 3 different colors. If you want to work this earring in one color you can do so, and if you want a free written pattern of these earrings, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. The link for that is available in the description. If you have an Instagram account, do follow me on my Instagram handle as well. I post fun reels and project updates on my Instagram. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So we are going to work these colorful earrings today. I've used 3 different colors for one earring, and if you want to work the entire earring in a single color you can do so. I've chose bright spring colors for working these earrings, and we are going to use granny pattern for working this earring. I'm going to use 3 shades of size 8 cotton crochet thread and 1.25mm crochet hook. You'll also need white glue, water and earring hoops, scissors for working this project. And with color 1 I'm going to work a magic ring, and then I'm going to work a chain 2. And once I have finished completing chain 2, I will work double crochet 2 together. This chain 2 double crochet 2 together is considered as our first double crochet 3 together. Once I have done working this, I am going to work a chain 4. And then we are going to work double crochet 3 together on the magic ring, followed by a chain 4. So that's a second double crochet 3 together. Once I am done with that, I am going to work a chain 4 again. And once you have worked your chain 4, you're going to work double crochet 3 together followed by a chain 4. So we're going to work 2 more sets of double crochet 3 together followed by a chain 4. So in total for our round 1 we should have 4 double crochet 3 together with in between chain 4 spaces. So once you have worked your last double crochet 3 together followed by a chain 4 space, we will be working a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 2 double crochet 2 together to close this round 1. So that's my last double crochet 3 together. Now I am working a chain 4. So that's it, my round 1 is done. I am going to tighten the magic ring and I will work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 2 double crochet 2 together to close this round 1. And now you can tighten your magic ring even more and secure it with a knot. So now I'm going to change to color 2, and then once I change to color 2, I'm going to work a slip stitch on nearby chain 4 space. So now we are going to work a slip stitch on the next chain 4 space before we proceed with our round 2. So now starting I will work a chain 3, which is considered as my first double crochet, and I'm going to work 2 more double crochets on the same chain 4 space. So we have worked our first 3 double crochet set, and then I'm going to work a chain 3 and then I will work 3 more double crochets on the same chain 4 space. So we have worked 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet on the same chain 4 space. So we are going to work this in every chain 4 space, and then we will work another chain 3 in between. So now I have worked a chain 3 in between, and then I am going to work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet on the next chain 4 space. So each chain 4 space will have 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, and then in between we will have chain 3 again. So now I have worked 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Now to reach to the next chain 4 space, I am going to work a chain 3. And then once again I am going to work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, followed by a chain 3. We are going to work that 2 more times. So we will have 4 sets of 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet with in between chain 3 spaces. So go ahead, complete this round 2. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So now I have completed my round 2. I am going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3 to close this round 2. So at the end of round 2, I will have 4 sets of 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet with in between chain 3 spaces. So work a slip stitch to close this round 2. So now change your yarn color to the third color before you proceed with round 3. And then work slip stitches until you reach the next chain 3 space. So round 3 is very simple. We are just going to work chain 3, which is considered as my first double crochet, and then I will work 2 more double crochets, and then I am going to work a chain 3. And then work 3 more double crochets on the same chain 3 space, and we are going to repeat this on every chain 3 space. We don't have a chain 3 in between in this round. We are just going to work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet on every chain 3 spaces around. So in the next chain 3 space, I am once again going to work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, and then repeat this round. So I work the chain 3 and then 3 more double crochets on the same chain 3 space. Now work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet on every chain 3 space around, and once you are done with this round, work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3 to close this round 3. This is our last round. You can slip stitch, fasten off and weave your ends after this round. So now I am going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3 to close this round 3, and you can fasten off, weave your ends. So we are done with one earring. We are going to need to do the same thing for the other earring as well. Now you can weave your ends and cut off all the extra yarn. So we are just going to weave the ends here. So this is one of our earrings. We need to go ahead do the same thing for the other earring as well. As you can see, it's not very stiff and it's wobbly. We need to stiffen it up with one part of white glue and one part of water, and mix them together. Dip your work in that and air dry for about a day, and it should stiffen up. And we'll go ahead block. And if you want a complete blocking tutorial, I have explained it in one of my earring tutorial video. I will post the link of that video in the description. You can check it out. Now you can see it's nice, stiff. It's blocked, dried for about a day. Now I'm going to attach my earring hooks to any of the chain 3 spaces of round 3. And that's it. Our earring is done. I have worked them in nice spring colors, bright spring colors. So if you prefer to work the entire earring in single color, you can do so. They're gonna just look pretty, and it's such a quick and easy project, a perfect gift as well. So try this at home and let me know your comments. I have worked them in 2 different colors and 2 different color schemes, as you can see. So try these earrings at home and let me know your comments. And if you want a free written pattern of these earrings, it's available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. And if you have an Instagram account, do follow me on my Instagram account as well, where I post project updates and fun reels. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.